Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the print and email documents in order entry. Again, similar to other modules, I'm not going to mention them this time just to save you some headache. You have the ability to do sender email, sender name, phone, deliver all available email addresses. You can pull the documents for a particular time frame. If you've previously sent an invoice or order, you can show it again to reprint it. Maybe you need to reprint it. You can also show only those that are invoices that have not been paid yet. You can select a customer range. You can show all customers, customer group. Remember, customer groups. We don't have any yet. You can do it by customer type. Of course, we don't have any in this one, so but you've seen it before. You can do a range of items. You can do territory. Now, remember, territory is really used only for sales. That dimension has no other use outside of sales. I can tell you that right now. This is about the only AR and order entry is the only place you're going to see territory as a dimension. You got locations. You can pull by range of value, by due date on or before, posted, draft, or both, transaction type, which you see is required. So you have to choose which kind of transaction type you want to put in here. I'm just going to select them all because I don't know what I have available. Now, remember that if you choose more than one, especially if they're different, like orders or invoices, you're not going to be able to override the printed document template. You know what? I may want to do that in this case because I'll tell you why in just a moment. Let me get rid of this change order here. Because here is where you can get the real fun joy of having, of pulling your payment application type invoices and things of that nature. Now, in projects, you'll get the AIA type ones that you can pull as well. And you can override email templates and do your sorting. So let's do a view. I don't know if we have anything in here. We should have something. Of course not. Why would we? I'm on recording, so let's just embarrass Mr. Land. Let's do it for current year to date. We should get something within that frame. Hopefully. Well, but you know it. All right, you little jerk. Let's do it this way. Let me do this. I forgot what time frame these work. This demo data is for. I should probably look at an invoice and tell, here we go, Yahoo! Yippee Yahoo! Now, and right now they're all checked. I don't want to do all checks. You can click this and it unchecks them. Let's just do one. And let's see, print email. Wait for it to do its job. Eventually. And here we go. Hey, what do you know? It gave us the AIA form. This is not the AIA form. It is just a similar one. We got your scheduled values, things of that nature. I guess that makes the payment application. It should have been that. Hey, like I said, it's a lot of stuff to remember. Give me a break, will you? Then you have other invoice templates, samples. And like I said, this along with all of these can be modified or you can create new by using Intacct add-in for MS Word and basically create a word merge document. And you can modify these the same way. Let's get rid of that. Do this. Print email. And see, here's another invoice. Kind of similar to purchasing, really. I'm bleh. Okay. And you can, when you modify these invoices, you can hard code the information or make them dynamic if you have the fields available. Okay. So that is going to be our print and email. Oh, one other thing before I go. You do have a view email log. So if you email something out, this will keep a log to tell you if it was successful or not. So you'll know if you have an issue with it. And that's it.